So people ask me all the time about how you recruit good people in business, how you recruit hungry people in business, how you get people who want to blow up your business for you. And like, I'm just not here to lie to you, which is what a lot of people like to do. And they like to tell you where to find good people. And, oh, this is the Facebook group to find people in and whatever. And I will be the honest person and tell you it has to start with you. So that's probably not what you want to hear, but I'm here because I tell you the truth. And the truth of the matter is that I need you to look in a mirror and I need you to ask yourself, would you recruit you? Would you want to be in business with you? Are you somebody who's reliable? Are you somebody who's trustworthy? Are you somebody who's confident? Are you somebody who is consistent? And if the answer to all of these things is no, then I don't even think it's fair for you to try to find the hungry person, because baby, you're not hungry. You need to get hungry. You need to be the person who drives the business. You need to be the person who shows up when it's inconvenient. You need to be the person who, gets uncomfortable and goes to events and, messages however many people a day and does it every single day all the time, because too many of you are out there looking for the person who's going to make you $1 million, and the person who's going to make you $1 million is you. It's not anybody else, it's you. So if you want to find hungry people, the way you attract other hungry people is by displaying how hungry you are to the world. So by me showing up every day, by me making videos, by me posting photos, by me producing content, by me having a podcast, by me constantly on trainings, by me always going to events, I'm showing the world, hey, do you want the leader that you say you want? Meaning, do you want the leader who's going to actually build the business? Or do you just want to be somebody who's frustrated all the time because that person is pretending that they're going to run the business with you and then they're not? So you want hungry people in business. You need to get hungry. You need to be starving. You need to have steak knives for teeth. And you got to be the person that you want your recruits to be. And if you enjoyed this, make sure you subscribe. And if you like this video a whole lot, check out this video too.